Hi everyone, I am Anisha from Westminster Technology. Currently, I'm pursuing third BTech in PCU. So here, I'm going to explain you how to create a sports scheduler web application. So a sports scheduler web application is designed to help users organize and join sports sessions seamlessly. So it allows players and athletes to manage sessions, track participation, and ensure sports securely. So this is why we use a sports scheduler. This is the GitHub repository of my project. So I'll be providing you that in the description box. These are the features of my project. So user authentication. We'll be having the admin and a player. Admin who creates the sports and the player who joins the sessions of that sport. So these are the things that used while creating the uh, project. So this is how these are some screenshots of my web application. So you can go through that and understand. So now I'll explain how to write the code, how the code works and everything. So here, this is the main code. This is the folder of my project. This is named as 501. So here, these are subfolders of that. So I'll explain every folder now. So these are the testing folders. Leave that now. For that, these are the assets, and these are all not also not needed. So now we'll go to the asset means where you store the images that you have looked at. So where you store the images that you're going to use this in this project. And the configuration part is something where we will be having the database details and everything. So here Postgres database is being used, right? So it is Postgres, and this is how you set up the connection while you are creating your Postgres, setting up your Postgres. Ensure that you mention here, and we'll be using the sequelize. I'm sorry for that. Here we use sequelize to connect the database. So Postgres is mentioned here. You can remove the name and you mention whatever you use the database. So that's the password of that, and this is the database details and everything. So next, migrations are something when we create a model, migration is created for that table. So here are the tables I have created: user folder, user table, sports table, and the session table. So these are the tables I have created. In user table, we'll be having first name, last name, email, password, and the role of that person, admin or player. In the sports folder, we'll be having the name of the sports and created by who has created that sport. We'll be having links between these three folders. Now, in the session folder, we'll be having sport ID created by team players, IDs, and additional players required, and date, time, venue of everything will be there here. So this is how my session will become my tables. The index of this is the uh, file that will be created automatically when you create a sequelize file. So these are the modules I have installed. Now in the public folder, the styling of the files will be placed. So CDS is also not needed. It is auto-generated when you set up sequelize. So VH folder has the AJS templates to render when I just log in into some route everything. So that to render the routes and everything, we have this folders. I'll explain them. So now we'll go to app.js code. Here I have installed some packages. These are the packages that I have used. Here Express package is used to handle the HTTP request, and the Bcrypt package is used to hash the password. So when we log in, we'll be giving our password, right? So it will be stored in the database in a hashed way. So CSRF generates tokens for protection, and body parts are used to pass the values. And these are importing the tables from the models folder. So this is a flash used to flash the messages. And passport is also a middleware used for authentication. And these are the packages I have used. And the sequelize CLI. So sequelize is also installed while creating to create connection between Postgres and node.js. So here, this is my Postgres database. So I have port scheduler database. In that, I'll be having the table users, post sessions, which I've shown you right now. So this is how. So they will be set up in all the packages we have installed, everything. So now we'll go to the routes part. So here we have main route. Main route has something like you can see, welcome to Sports Scheduler and sign up and sign in things and about something about Sports Scheduler. So you'll be getting displayed when you just open the website. This is the main route. So in the app.js, we go back again. The sign up route and everything routes are being created here. So create player is some route. We'll be creating the player when you sign up. Just we'll be getting this route. So I'll just show you sign up route. So here you can see create player. Action is create player. We'll be creating that action here in the. So this is something that I have to do. So this is the code. So you just sign up. It will create a player. So this is the sign up thing, and you really have to enter name and everything. So you can just log in if you are already signed up into that thing. How the login things looks like. And these are the folders like admin dashboard has the admin details and everything. Where you can see available sessions, join sessions and everything. I'll show you how the database looks now. And this is the database. So you can see the sports and sessions on the data. So this is how these are being stored in the table. I've just run the code, right? You can see it is running on localhost 4000. So we'll be going to the localhost. Here you can see the sports scheduler web application. So welcome to sports scheduler. This is the main .ejs template that we have seen. So sign in if you have an account. So for your idea, I'll be sure sign up in your signing up. Password and the role you have to mention. What is I'll be mentioning as admin. So sign up. It will be redirecting you to log in this. You have to log in again with the same things we have provided before. Just a second. I've just signed up and log in into the account. So these are the things of my dashboard. So you can see welcome to you and your creative sports, available sports and my join sessions. I've not joined any session, so it is showing no join sessions. These are the posts which are existing and these are the sessions which are existing before. So you can create a new sport with a new session. So you can create a session in to the existing sports only. So you will be getting a drop down. Have to select that any sport and date, time, and everything. Then you have to select and everything you mention and create sport. So I'll be using everything and I'll be showing you. So create session. A session is created again. Create. So you can see a new session is created. Today is you have created on February 11th. You can join the session by clicking on that join. So you can see my join session has got the session I've joined right now. So this is how the entire dashboard works. You can delete a session if you want. So I'll be deleting the volleyball session. So I just deleted. You can see the only the admin can delete the sessions. It, no, the users are I mean the players can't delete the sessions. Log out. And now I'll be showing you the player dashboard. This is how a player dashboard looks. Welcome and the logout functionality and the available sport and the same available sessions. My join session, same thing will be here. variation. Whereas here you cannot say create a sport option and delete sessions option. We can just only create sessions and join sessions and the cancel sessions. That is how the access is being given to admin and the player. So let me just you can see this. You can see it is updated in join sessions immediately. So now I can just cancel the session which I've joined. Like just mentioning the reason and click on cancel button. So you can see it is cancelled. So that is how the entire thing works. We can go back to the code and I'll bring you the key things that you have to know. So I'll start the code thing. You can just see here. I have used bscript.hash to hash the password key. Right? When you create a player, it will be getting the first name and everything from the requested body. Request is something is a call, which is in the callback function you can see here. It has the details and everything that you have mentioned while creating while you're logging in. So this will be posted here into this. So you'll be getting that details from the request.body. So here you can just sign up. So hashed password is something, hashing the password, and this is how we create the user in the user table. So user dot create will create a record in this table in the user. So it has to match the names of columns with this. It will create that. Next, we'll be going to the. We can just find this, find the data from the uh, postgres by using some commands like find all and everything. So this is how the admin dashboard, and admin dashboard is something like this, which have delete, join, available sessions, join sessions, everything. Um, I'll be providing this entire code to you in the GitHub repository. You can go through that and see what things are you want. This log out route and everything. Every route has been initialized here in specified expression. So this is how this code scheduler works. Thank you.